I'm here at Leela Palace in Chanakyapuri, New Delhi. This is their hotel, and it is typical that vintage and those types. So this is something really nice. I can show you how it looks. See, this is the hotel at Chanakyapuri, New Delhi. I like their mirror. This is gorgeous. I love their mirror. You see that? That's pretty. And I'm going for an event, so since I was here, I thought of showing you guys how it looks. So I like the mirror here also. It's so beautiful. It's nice. It's more of the medieval era hotel, and I visited earlier also, but a number of years back. So it's nice. This is the Hotel Leela Kempinski. This is actually, sorry, I've been saying Kempinski. It's Leela Palace now. It used to be Kempinski earlier, but now it is Leela Palace. See the design and beautiful chandeliers. So pretty. This is in Chanakyapuri, New Delhi. See how their lobby is. This is actually their lobby. Beautiful. I'm just taking a center point and I'm giving you a view of the complete lobby. So on the left they have some banquet areas. On the right also they have few shops inside, so it's really nice. I will take you to the shop also. Let's go ahead and let's go and check out a few more things. With me you can come along. चलो आपको दिखाते हैं बढ़िया से shop in the. I had gone for an event today for the franchisees, so I was here, so I thought of showing you all also how exactly it looks. So let's go see how this thing is. The lobby is very beautiful. It's really nice. I remember a time when this hotel had just come up and been built, so it was like so slow and it had just come. So now it is so very nice and beautiful. So this is the taste of Indian tradition. This is Jamawar. It's wow, that's nice. They have a thali here in the hotel, in the restaurant Jamawar. And then this is their pastry shop. Let's see, this is their pastry shop. See, look at the lovely savories. My God, कितनी yummy savories हैं. देखो, such lovely savories. And this is all price on request. Okay, then this is their Andrab. This is a shop inside, a retail store inside the hotel in Leela Palace. This is the only store you have, or कोई भी है?
We have a flagship store in China.
Okay, no, there are more stores here. Only one. Okay. So they stock almost everything. This is what you're stocking, Kashmiri styles.
Kashmiri.
Okay, this is all Kashmiri items they have. Even they have some nice jewelry. So they have lovely jewelry also this side. This is pretty. And look at the chandelier. I love the chandeliers. They look so beautiful. इतने सुंदर लगते हैं. आई थिंक आई हैव अ फैंसी फॉर शैंडलियर्स. बहुत सुंदर लगते हैं. शैंडलियर्स से आपके हाउस, योर रूम में जान आ जाती है. ऑफ कोर्स इट इज़ डेकोरेशन फॉर द होटल्स, but if you have a beautiful chandelier in your house, I think it really adds to the beauty of your place where you are living, or got your place to work. See the chandeliers, see the candles, how beautiful it becomes. इतना सुंदर लगता है. This is the lobby lounge. I like their decoration also. कितना सुंदर decoration किया हुआ है. How nice. Such lovely flowers. Pretty. I like it. It's really pretty. इनकी lobby and their reception area is that side. So let's go that side also. वहाँ चल के आपको दिखाते हैं. We'll take you there. Let's go. So बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है. This is looking so lovely. Their garlands. ये देखो how they're lovely. Their malas, Rajnigandhas. How pretty Rajnigandhas. Really pretty Rajnigandhas. It's really nice. अब आपको मैं रिसेप्शन दिखाती हूँ इनका. This is their reception, and they have upper on the first floor. They have something. See, they have like a balcony that upstairs. Very nice. And look at the carving. इनकी side की carvings कितनी सुंदर हैं. This is their reception area. A beautiful reception area. How pretty. So that's it from me at Leela Palace in Chanakyapuri, New Delhi. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. After ages and years, I have come to Yashwant Place in Chanakyapuri. और यहाँ के momos are really special. So I'm going to be trying out their momos today. After years, बहुत सालों बाद. I used to come when I was in college in JMC, Jesus and Mary College. जब हम यहाँ college में I was studying. That time we used to come with friends, and it's been years. So I'll be taking you in and I'll be showing you where I'm going to be having my favorite momos. They are the place for momos. Now I'm in Laguna. This is the restaurant in Yashwant Place, Chanakyapuri, जहाँ के momos. They have lots of outlets and eateries here. आप select कर सकते हो. I am here in Laguna because it's too hot. So I thought I want a very good air conditioned restaurant. तो अगर आपको good air conditioned restaurant चाहिए, then you can come to Laguna. So this is Laguna, and I'm here. It is very nice. So I'm going to be having my momos. I'll be showing you also. These are the momos at Yashwant Place. उसके साथ ये है चटनी. This is nice, and this is my drink. So I've already put the chutney, and I'm going to be starting with my chicken steamed momos.